Hey everyone, ever have a file, a personal document, some financial info, or just private photos that you wish you could lock away with a password? Windows doesn't make it obvious, and BitLocker can be overkill for a single file. Well, today I'm going to show you a super simple, completely free way to encrypt and password protect any file or folder in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for 7-Zip. Click the first link, which should be the official 7-Zip website. Download and install the version for your system. It's completely free. Now search for WinRAR. Click the first link, which should be the official WinRAR website. Download and install the version for your system. It's completely free. Once it's installed, press the Windows key plus S and type 7-Zip. Open the 7-Zip file manager. You'll see a window that looks like a file explorer. This is our command center. In this box, remove anything that is written and press enter. And after that, click on computer and navigate to the folder you want to encrypt it. Click on the file once to select it. Now, click the Add button at the top. This box has a few key settings. Don't worry, it's simple. Archive format. Make sure this is set to zip for maximum compatibility. Anyone on any operating system can open it. Now, look for the encryption section on the right. Here, you'll enter your password. Make it strong. This is what protects your file. This is the most important step. Check the box that says Encrypt file names on screen text. This hides even the names of the files inside for total privacy. You can also check Delete files after compression if you want the original unprotected file to be removed automatically. Leave all the other settings on their defaults, they're perfectly fine. You'll see a new .zip file appear, and your original file might disappear if you chose that option. Now for the test, try to double-click the new .zip file. A password prompt will immediately appear. No password, no access. Your file is now securely encrypted.